I'm a metallurgical engineer by background, and I basically interviewed on campus with an oil company to practice. I was familiar with the industry because I had worked during the summer as a roustabout in the field at one point in time, and I also worked in a refinery, and that's because they were the highest paying jobs. But once I got in, I was hooked. I absolutely loved the industry, I loved the business, and I wouldn't trade it for anything. I believe Aera Energy is very unique with respect to the fact that we have found a way to integrate three really simple yet critical things, and it's the integration of those three things that makes us unique compared to everybody else. First of all, we have a manufacturing mindset. We drill thousands of wells all the time, so we've drilled over 1,000 wells a year for the last 10 years. The second thing is we have an information system, real-time information through our enterprise architecture that allows us to actually analyze and look at things down to the last single grain of sand. And then you move to the culture of the people. People who want to relentlessly continue to get better, who want to continue to improve, who year after year after year are asking, how can this be different? How can this be better? And they're not asking, well, what's the next big project I can work on? And so it's those three things, the manufacturing mindset, the information systems, and the culture of the people, the integration of those three things that I think makes us unique in this industry. The single biggest challenge I believe that our industry faces today is how can we safely, environmentally, effectively, profitably deliver energy to this planet in a way that people understand it and in a way that people will embrace it. So whether it's trying to do work in the Arctic or hydraulic fracturing or deep water technologies, wherever it is, there are people who are being impacted by what we do. And so we've got to ensure and find a way to help everybody who we're working around understand what we're doing, have faith and confidence that we will be able to do it in a way that doesn't harm them, that's actually beneficial to them, and then execute going forward. So I think that, to me, is our biggest challenge, is making sure that as we're doing that, we take all the people who are around us and help them understand. I would like to say to all the hundreds of thousands of young professionals coming into our industry, I would first like to say welcome. I am absolutely delighted that you picked this industry to be a part of. It's an industry that I love. It's one that I believe the world needs, badly needs, on a daily basis. And so I'm delighted that you decided to be a part of this industry. And so that's the first thing I'd say. The second thing I'd say is please take care of it. I'm doing all I can to have this industry have the kind of reputation and be viewed at the global level as the place where people want to work, a place where people can be safe, a place where people can grow and learn and utilize their skills and have fun. Be willing to sit down with the people who are more mature, who've been around a while, and actually understand how they went through it. When you start doing that, you'll find that they'll appreciate you even more, and then they'll share with you even more, and then you'll be able to sort of understand and not commit or not have the same mistakes that they made. And so we got to find a way to pull both of those groups together and recognize the strengths that we get from both of those groups. And I would say, you know, as we hand this over to you, please take that commitment on your shoulders, because that's what it's about. Ultimately, it's about what you can leave behind and how you can help the industry go forward. And so welcome aboard. It's fantastic having all the people in, and at the same time, take up that mantle, because we're going to be handing it off to people. We're going to be handing it off to you.